this arm up. Tighten. Get this guy on. Now that's not moving anywhere. Get this ramp back on. This chain, this is the security measure, security lock that keeps people from yoinking the bikes off. And that's locked. Boom. Good to go in theory, but not quite 100% because I think I should cook a meal while I'm here. When you can find these level 2 chargers, they should be cheaper than DC fast chargers, which is where you can, plug in, ride the bikes around, explore the city. But now I gotta decide if I'm gonna cook a lunch or cook a meal. I think I should. It's weird, I don't feel hungry because I've been eating like nuts and snacks and stuff all day. But I do have this chicken that is thawed and ready to go. It's been sitting on top of the ice pack in the cooler here, which this ice pack hasn't melted yet, thankfully. So we still got a whole bunch of cool in this cooler, but I should cook that chicken. Okay. Marinated chicken. This was a miso, and it's like miso, coconut aminos, rice wine, coconut sugar, marinade. I don't know for a fact these wet wipes are food safe, but I'm gonna go on a limb, guess that they are. And even if they aren't, I could do a final wash water. Just don't want to leave that residue on my tongs. It's probably the biggest challenge to living on the road, living in a vehicle, is figuring out how to keep things clean with a minimum amount of water, you know? Look at that. 6 minutes in on max crisp. Air fryer just does wonders, doesn't it? that's done, this is what I call one pot air fryer chicken. Got it marinated out of the refrigerator, so it's thawed, so it cooks quickly. It's in the air fryer. It's nice and juicy. Look at that. All that took was 15 minutes. 15 minutes of air frying on max. We hit the crucial temp of 165. Only downside to this system that we got to figure out is what to do about this glass being super hot and potentially damaging the other bits that we store next to the air fryer inside this big plastic tote, because it's a lot of plastics in there, you know, a lot of plastics that would be prone to absorbing some heat damage if not managed properly. I got one more thing to throw in. I'm gonna do one piece of naan. The legs of the air fryer keep it from directly touching this plastic, but it's the other things, like you got a lot of loose Ziplocs with like chia seeds and whatnot in there. That's what to be concerned about. I'm thinking maybe we could get some kind of heat blanket type of deal, and that could do it. But otherwise, the best solution is to just wait for it to cool off. And what better way to wait for it to cool off than by just eating your meal? Costco makes a delicious hummus, what can I say? Big fatty gobs of it right there. The biggest chore of all is getting this back in there. But we'll do that after we finish eating the meal, because at that time, everything will be nice and cooled off. The glass will be cooled off enough. You can unplug it. Thank you, babe. She's feeling ill and not up to eating, so I gotta eat this far away from her, because that would be cruel, right? That's what it's all about right here. Chilling, level 2 charging at the Nature Conservancy. Man, life is good, yo. Life is so good. Life is so short. It'll be over before I know it. Today's 13/5/10. Have I reached halftime yet? I hope not. I hope I got another 13/5/11 days ahead of me. But you never know. You never know. So you gotta enjoy the little things, even if it is just simple marinated chicken out of an air fryer, powered by your vehicle. In a city you don't live in, I've only been to 4 times, after riding around and seeing some crazy stuff, honestly. Oh man, I can't wait to do this in Seattle. That's gonna be wild. Wild.